of the land on which we stand and sit right now. Lenwo and Tiro to the leadership of Chuuk State, the Honorable Governor ng Landan. Lenwo and Tiro to our Honorable Aaron Balik, Vice President of this Federation, and his delegation from the national government. The highland of Koshai is comprised of 4 municipalities. They are hearts. And I believe in Chuuk's term, it's called Fangaurus.
Thank you, Congressman Asher, for your inspirational remark. Lifestyle will be shown. So please sit back, relax, and make yourself comfortable so you can enjoy a day and a lifestyle in Bush Ride. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So our first performance is going to be showcasing our local warriors hauling up heavy log. The heavy log can be weighing more than 10,000 pounds that can only be lifted and moved by our local gents, composed by our local The tradition is still existed as of today. Thank you, Shrine, for the harmony voices. And we'll be joining with the song and the action song.
Bye.
At this time, we will be presenting gift to each of the states as well as the national, represented by Mayor George, to Governor of Yap, or Lieutenant Governor of Yap State, the Honorable Francis Idimay. Please come up and retrieve your gift. Thank you, Yap. From the island of the Sleeping Lady, Alexander Narum. From the beautiful island of Koshrai to Pohnpei State, Governor of Pohnpei State, from the Landwo State to the national government, so we would like to call the Honorable RNP Balik. Last but not least, from the Koshrai State delegation to the hosting mayor, Faustino Stevens. Thank you so much. Can we have everyone give them a big round of applause? Our last performance will be the demonstrating of our fava making. Our special dish, fava, I'm happy to share it with you today. Fava was then, so all our fava founders do the fava making. We will also have the ladies passing out.
So you can see here from Pohnpei products. Oh, so beautiful. So necklace. Beautiful products right here. First come, first serve from Pohnpei products. Ah, look at that. Shark teeth. TNK store, Pohnpei. Wow. Just right here, they have free food. Free food for everyone. First come, first serve. Thank you, Chris Ryan. Luku. Friends who are hungry right now, thirsty. They have food. At the same time, bill fare over there. Clothing, clothes. Wow. Oh, I read this from Micronesian history. Yup. From the island of Biak. They have unique product right here, the rope. Woo. From the island of Biak. So they have cute basket right here. Looks like the basket used to save monsters. Wow. Yup. Kamagar. Selling hammock. So first come, first serve before Friday. They are selling also hammock here. And oh, coconut syrup right here. Also sauce right here. First come, first serve. And our approachable friends right here, selling also baskets. They have also unique fish trap right here. First come, first serve. Woo. So according to our governor. Woo.
Governor, we'll have more tomorrow on the update.
Thank you, Governor. First come, first serve. We have still baby pickles right here. And earrings, very cheap, my goodness.
And then my Momo.
And Momo skirts, right?
No, only Momo.
Only Momos. Guys, just come, first serve. They're selling Momos and baby pickles, so tasty. From Nene's Car Rental and Mini Store. So our approachable owner right there. Thank you. Again, guys, today is Chris Ryan's day.
Yes, yes.
And so we have our friends, approachable friends, inviting us to taste their special menu. Thank you very much, Chris Ryan friends. Luko. Free food for today, drinks. Woo. Wow. Come and taste now. First come, first serve. Alright. I'll taste here. Thank you very much. First come, first serve. Chuukis, Yappies, Chris Ryan's, Pohnpeians, Chuuk Pakmed, shirt. They're selling here. First come, first serve. Beautiful clothes right here. Okay, we have approachable right there. Approachable friend. Oh my goodness. There we go. Wow, much food right here. Woo! Welcome. Yup. Chuuk and Pohnpei to this Cross Ryan menu. Woo! Hungry, thirsty, just come here. First come, first serve, Star Coffee. Woo! Those who are hungry and thirsty, just come here. Star Coffee. Wow. Those who are hungry and thirsty, just come here. 21 minute store.
Enjoying helping students.
We have tasty food right here and drinks. So this is now activity today. Just done with the Cross Ryan presentation. Excellent performance today with our Cross Ryan. And until now, still serving food free for everyone. So right here, guys, tuna, you can see here. Just enjoy, and then first come, first serve, or of course, right here we have fishing equipment. They have that's paano na gitawag ko boy. That's boy. Is boy. Right here. Woo. Come now. Kyun's corner right there. Kyun's corner. Clothes, bags, pants. If you're hungry and thirsty, over there. Juice, wallet, juice, and candy family. If you're hungry, thirsty, just come. First come, first serve. Selling also clothes, momo, skirts. Woo! Many kinds, just come. Oh, right here. So what's this? A&A Market. A&A Market, first come, first serve. So you can see beautiful skirts, momos, different kinds, designs. Ew. Ningin, Chuuk, yap. Pohnpei, come. And they have also comb right here. Beautiful comb. Made of turtle shell. Alright, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Woo! Enjoy. Alright, so this side is selling earrings. Chuuk. So first come, first serve. Carmen's Goodies. Carmen's Goodies. New Peru Women's Association. Right. If you want t-shirts, we have also t-shirts right here. Woo! YWCW fabric store right there. First come, first serve. Nitumers. What? Ah, Nitumeres. Chuuk's Women Network. First come, first serve. T-shirts. Nice t-shirts right here. I'm Kuya Novo. So we have here public safety and hospital. Tungay forward Chuuk ko something now. Neman Menesit.
I follow you on YouTube.
Oh, Kuya Novo, huh? All right, thank you. Woo, thank you, boy. What's your name? All right, thank you. Woo, shout out. So you're the one selling there? All right, so needs to Meris selling t-shirts. First come, first serve, guys. And then right here, we'll go around right here, this side. Oh, FJ Enterprise. Still the same, first come, first serve. If you are thirsty, hungry, just come. This Sunrise.
That's for Ate Juicy's place.
Sunrise Resto. FJ Enterprise. Still the same. First come, first serve t-shirts. If you have remembrance, if you want remembrance for this 2024 third Micronesian Expo, just come. Yeah. Love mamas, love mamas. So if you are hungry, we have pizza right here. Mama's Midland dinner. First come, first serve. First come, first serve. If you're hungry, thirsty, just come. Midland, Mama's Midland dinner. With our approachable sales ladies. Hello guys. Raven. Yeah, shout out to our very own governor and lieutenant, honorable lieutenant right here, making sure that our activity with our safety public are always. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. So tonight 7 to 9. 7 to 9. All right, don't forget iSolution is always doing the live. This Micronesian, third Micronesian Expo, and I will show you. Okay, same. We have hat there. If you're hungry, thirsty, King Bros Wear right there. King Bros Wear. King Bros Wear. Beautiful hats right here with beautiful ladies. Woo! Over there, approachable. Yep. See, first come, first serve. Ooh, so beautiful. All right. So that's all for today. Welcome. Welcome to the island of Chuuk. Yeah, before we get out campus, I have to show you the department who is giving us the information. Servitre. So this is the Behavioral Health and Wellness Program, Department of Health Services, Chuuk, FSM, and this is the interesting part here. Vapes and cigarettes. Listen, different products, same dangers. So we have reminder here. Look at that one. Addiction, nicotine, cancer-causing chemicals. And over there, listen. Again, some vape pods have as much nicotine as 20 cigarettes. So those are the things that you are going to remember. Get the facts. All right. Thank you, Kiriso. So again, to our viewers, this is day 2, Micronesia Expo 2024, Chuuk, July 22 to 26. Navigating our island oceans for prosperity and resiliency.